4 qualities determine what rod is best for a given situation: length, power, action, and what type of reel it was built for. Length is measured from the rod's butt to the tip, and it determines how much sweeping distance one has to set the hook. Power describes the stiffness of the rod from ultralight to medium to extra heavy and everything in between. And it works in conjunction with lure weight, where, for example, stiff rods load up with heavy lures like bulldogs, and ultralight rods load up with light lures such as small spinners, both allowing for a far cast. Action designates how far from the tip the rod bends, from slow to moderate to extra fast, and everything in between. And it also determines how much play you have when setting the hook and fighting the fish, which can be important depending on the lure. For example, trolling crankbaits demands a moderate action rod, while jigging requires a faster action rod. Popular reels include spincast reels, spinning reels, baitcaster reels, fly reels, and centerpins. Spincast rods are generally short, and the reels have an enclosed spool and a button that releases line, and they are generally used to introduce children to fishing. Spinning reels have a vertical drag and a bail that opens to release line, and they come in all sizes and are one of the most popular options for game fish. Baitcaster reels have line that rolls off a drum when toggled, and they have a sideways drag and a knob controlling how easily the line flows off the reel, and they're easier to tangle than spinning reels, but allow more accurate pitching of the bait or lure because one can thumb the spool. Fly reels are drums that spin whole with light drag and hold fly line, and centerpin reels are similar but have virtually no drag and hold monofilament.